All right, let's go over some highlights of the syllabus. So this will be for Math 110 College Algebra, an 8-week online course. Okay, some ways to get in contact with me. You can either call me, send me an email, or set up an appointment with me through Cisco WebEx, which will be on Canvas. I'm available Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so what we're going to be doing in this course is we're going to learn how to solve equations and inequalities, learn some function properties and some graphs, some inverse functions. We'll look at linear, quadratic, polynomial, rational, exponential, and logarithmic functions with some applications. And then last we'll look at systems of equations. Now this class is 3 lecture hours. Make sure you have an ACT score of 19 or higher, or that you have a C or better in Math 099. So the textbook that we're going to use is OpenStax, College Algebra textbook. This is completely free online and it's on Canvas, or you can order one through the bookstore as well if you want a physical copy. Now you'd have to check with the bookstore to see how much that would cost. But if you view it online, it's completely free. So additional materials and technology requirements, you need a laptop with a reliable internet capability with a built-in camera or external camera. Now this camera is going to be used when we take exams because we're going to be using something called Honor Lock. Now you need a basic calculator with no programming or graphing capabilities. All you really need is just a simple scientific calculator for this course. Okay, so the course assignments will be, you'll have some homework, you'll have 2 unit exams, and a final exam. The final exam is 30% of your grade. Now this is a requirement and it cannot be waived, and it doesn't matter what grade you have in the course. It'll also have a comprehensive element, meaning that everything that we cover within this course is going to be on the final. The unit exams are going to be 60% of your grade. The homework is going to be 10% of your grade. I drop the 3 lowest homework sections automatically, so it gives you just a little bit of wiggle room just in case if you bomb some of the homework sections. Now all the homework is on Canvas and you can find it under the Quizzes tab. Now there will be practice exams for every unit exam. So I have a practice exam, and then I have answers to the practice exam, and I have step-by-step solutions for the practice exam. So what I would do is I would, when it gets close to a test, I would take the practice exam, see how I did, go back and check the answers, see which one I missed, and then for the ones that I missed, I'd go back to the step-by-step solution and see where the error occurred. Now, if you still have issues, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Okay, now there are some extra credit opportunities here. At the end of the semester, I'm going to look at the average homework grade, and if it is 95% or higher, then I'm going to add 3% to the overall course grade. Okay, so that will be for the average homework grade. If that's 95% or higher, I'll give 3% to the overall course grade. Now I have one bonus question for every exam, and that's going to be an additional 2% added to that exam. And I have bonus discussions for every unit exam, and that will also be 2% added to that exam. Okay, this right here is talking about the grading information. Your grades are based on you and your performance alone in this class. It's not ranking you or comparing you to everyone else in the class. So it's a rating, just you and you alone and your performance in the class. It's not a ranking comparing you to everybody else. Okay, so it just depends on you. The final average of your earned grade will automatically round up to the next whole number if the average is 0.5 or greater. So at the end of the semester, if you end up with a 89.5, that will automatically round up to a 90. Okay, here's our grading scale. 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is a C, 60 to 69 is a D, and 0 to 59 is an F. These are the things that you can have on exam day: a pen or pencil, a non-graphing calculator, blank scratch paper, and something called Honor Lock. Now, HonorLock is the proctoring service that we're going to be using. So how you would use this is you're going to scan the entire room, including your desk, your workspace, your calculator, and go ahead and scan your blank scratch paper. Only you're allowed in the room while taking the exam. Only the allowed materials are allowed during the exam. So the pen, pencil, blank scratch paper, and the non-graphing calculator. Your phone should be in a completely different room away from you. No music or television, and don't have headphones on. Don't wear a hat. There are more guidelines, but these are located on Canvas under the Modules tab. So if any of these rules are violated, you will receive a 0 for that exam. Now I have a practice quiz for HonorLock, so you can see the setup and how everything is laid out and what you would need to do, all the steps you would have to go through before we get to an actual exam. Now make sure that your computer is fully charged or that it is plugged in while you are taking an exam. If it dies because it has a low battery, you will get a 0 for that exam, and I won't be able to give you a reattempt or give you extra time. Okay, in this course, everything that we do needs to be done through Google Chrome. Okay, so any assignments, anything that you're doing within this course, make sure you're using Google Chrome. If you do have any type of technical issue, please send me a photo or a video. That way I can give you an extension or some kind of accommodation if needed. Okay, now attendance is going to be based on you completing an assignment. It's not you logging into Canvas or sending me an email. Now attendance could be used for applying up to 0.5% to your final grade at the end of the semester. So if you are working really hard and you're doing everything that you need to, then you can have that possibility of that 0.5% being added to the final grade at the end of the semester. The Canvas policy, make sure that you check Canvas at least twice a week. Make sure that you also have a Canvas account, and also make sure that you have a LA Delta email address and that you are able to get on it and use it. Okay, the last day to withdraw from this course is April 27th, 2021. Types of academic misconduct would be cheating, fabrication, plagiarism, violations of class rules, and misrepresentation. If any of these occur, these are the actions that could follow: a loss of partial credit for the assignment, reduced grade for the course, grade of F for the course, 0 assigned to test or assignment, academic probation, counseling, academic suspension, or expulsion. So hopefully none of those will have to occur. Now everything that I just said could change. It shouldn't, but if it does happen, if we have to change something within the class, then I'll let you know by an email or by an announcement. Now there is a full version of the syllabus located on Canvas, so go ahead and take a look at that. If you have any questions about this or any concerns or other questions about the course, please don't hesitate to contact me.